matching. We've all been there. You have your dress, you have your shoes, you have your handbag. What colors are you gonna draw from for the cherry on the cake? Your hat.
Generally, I mean, with your outfit, you might have just one block colour, but in this instance, we have this dress. So obviously there's lots of different tones in here. What do you use? Do you pick out each individual colour, or do you just use one or two, or even just one? And it's totally up to you. But if you could pick out a few colours, you could go with maybe this little pink here, or you could go with the blues, you know, the greens. But it might also be really good just to have one colour. Or pick a couple. So in this instance, I would say maybe we'll pick out the reds and the blues from this. So we'll pick out maybe this red, and actually the flower sort of complements it as well. So you want to look at the shape of things. Does it all go? And because it's quite a floral dress, I think we can get away with giving a real floral headpiece here. So let's pick out a couple of colours here. We'll get some blues, get some reds, and actually that looks really sweet.
You look at green on the color wheel, go across from green, you're going to get the reds. So why not go with a total contrast color, which will actually complement your look. So pinks with green look amazing. And you're kind of making more of a statement by doing this. And it's a little bit more fashion forward, I would say, going with something that isn't necessarily here and putting it on your head. So we have a green handbag. So cerise is a lovely color that goes with like everything. And then you have a really bright flower. You could just like, you know, put these together. This looks great together. It looks really good. If you really want to tie it in, you know, maybe find some other little filler flowers, or you know, you choose a pink base and then cover it in the green. But in any case, don't be afraid to use a pop of color that's not in your outfit. And if you're really not sure, get in touch. We love color matching. We do it every day. Send us a picture of your dress, your shoes, whatever, and we will help you either totally match it or help you go a little wild.